Hello, and welcome on our YouTube channel. Please have a look to this System.io template on the video. To download this template and all our other ready-made templates, please check out the video description. These ready-made System.io templates will help you save hundreds of hours to build your website from scratch. They will help you as well save thousands of dollars on developer fees. And you will be able to modify any template of your choice and deploy it immediately for your business. They will help you launch your online or local business website faster with that professional look you desire. To get your template, click on the link in the video description. You need to subscribe to System.io first. Then, once connected, click on the link to download your templates. Your template will be uploaded automatically into your System.io account in the Funnels category. If you like the content of the video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.